Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a black 2022 Transit Connect, the Mini T conversion. On the roof you find solar, over-the-air antenna, max air fan. They come with shore power plug-in cord, hitch, has a 2,000-pound towing capacity, or works great for a bike rack, microwave, thermostatically controlled refrigerator, sink, comfortable couch to sit in, or you can pull it out to the 43 by 72 inch bed. Over-the-air antenna allows you just to scan and get what channels for free, no contracts. We have underbed storage, vinyl flooring, 2,000 watt inverter, dual house batteries, allows you plenty of power if not plugged in overnight to watch TV, use the microwave, run your fan and refrigerator, and even a CPAP all evening. This vehicle has under 60 miles on it. Check out the complete details on our website, DLM-Distribution.com. or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!